Welcome to Shutterfly How-Tos, quick tips to help you create with ease. In this video, we'll walk through some simple tools for editing your photos and photo boxes. To get started, select a photo on the page. Use the corner handles to resize the photo box, or drag the side handles to change its shape. To adjust the image inside the box, use the hand tool to reposition it, or the zoom control to make it larger or smaller. To move the entire photo box, click and drag it using the four-way arrow. For more precise edits, select Edit to crop, zoom, or rotate the photo within the box. You'll also find Auto Enhance and a variety of filters in the Edit menu. If you'd like to add a border, choose a color and adjust the thickness. You can apply borders to a single photo, an entire page, or even your whole book, and they'll stay in place as you resize or crop your images. There are two ways to rotate your photos. Use the rotate handle to turn the photo box, or go into Edit to rotate the image inside the box. To swap photos, simply drag one image over another and look for the blue Swap indicator. You can also use the Swap button in the toolbar, or swap images directly from your photo tray. And that's a quick overview of editing your photos and photo boxes. For more tips, check out our other videos. Have fun and make something that means something.